Okay, good morning. Good morning.
Can't see you on Zoom.
Yeah, I know, man. You're gonna have to not see my face today. I still need to get that fucking thing sorted. One second. Okay, so welcome everyone to a new session over here. Looking like Asian session wasn't that interesting in terms of GJ at all, actually. Yeah, just came back up to a resistance, rejected, so interesting. Let's take a look at Goldie as well, just in case there's anything going on right now. Looking like we're making a little bit of resistance to maybe continue back down, which is interesting. Yeah. Morning. So let's just do a little analysis here. So yeah, let's start. Let's take a look. How did this daily time close yesterday? Yeah, we closed bearish. Bearish. Let me just do this 1 second. This crackle's killing me. Okay. So GJ closed bearish. You can see pretty obviously here. Now, in terms of where it actually closed, it closed below. Yeah, it closed below one of the biggest resistances, which tends to suggest we're rejecting the highs pretty hard. Okay, so right there we rejected. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour looks a bit choppy. If you take a look at just price action generally in the 4-hour, we've got a bearish, bullish, a bearish, a bullish, a bearish, a bullish, bearish. Okay, so it's kind of contradicting where price wants to be. Where price wants to go, sorry. There's not really any momentum or direction. Okay, so that's okay. Still look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, looking like we're in a bit of a range, right? From 168.250 to 167.750. So quite a big zone. Take a look to the left hand side. Yeah, start to see. So we have a support down at 167.700. Which is okay. We've got a resistance here at 168.400, but to the next zone there's 27 pips, but this isn't really the cleanest zone. So I think preferred buys would probably be above like this area, 750, maybe like there. Take a look at the 30-minute. How does that look? Yeah, that's a 30-minute. That looks nice. So there's our resistance. So there we go. This is our zone 1. And now you can maybe take buys to come to zone 2, or take sells to come to zone 3. Easy, simple. So knowing this, we just gotta wait for potential trades out of this zone, because that's where the cleanest zones are gonna be and cleanest candles you're gonna get. So buys above 168.679. There we go, and sells below. Sells below 167.713. Beautiful. Morning. So yeah, not looking too bad. We just gotta wait until this Asian. I mean, yeah, Asian session we haven't actually closed. Oh no, we have. This is Asian spike as well. So yeah, we'll see. I just think this zone could be maybe a little bit sus in terms of taking nice trades. Maybe making some support at this level could be okay to ride it back up. But the hourly closed bearish, so it's kind of hard. Yeah, kind of hard. So we'll have to see over here. Let's take a look at Goldie as well. Goldie's making some bearish signs here, looking good. Daily time frame closed bearish again. The previous daily closed bearish, which is good. Let's put this on. Okay, 4-hour time frame. There is a big bearish rejection candle, but the last one did close bullish, so it clearly is at a serious support, which we kind of knew it was from yesterday. Yeah. And also, take a look at the hourly and 30-minute and stuff. Yeah, I think in terms of taking trades, So what I see to the left-hand side here, this was previous support here on the 15 there. And yeah, we actually did close below it on the hourly. So that was actually not too bad. There was no top wick though, which is a bit annoying. I kind of wanted that an extra top wick on the 30-minute and the hourly to just tap up and then reflip. But well done for people who took that impulse. It worked out nicely. Because basically it's a closure back in the zone. It should fill the zone up to at least 1628 probably. Well, at least 1629, but it's already just hit that. So maybe 1628. And then maybe potential sells below 1628 back down to 1626.7. Yeah, I think that would be pretty good actually. I think that would be pretty good. One second, I'm just going to do something. Under the playback tab, right click the audio device. Wait, playback tab? What is that? Click the Zoom desktop client. Ah, okay. I think I could fix that crackling. So yeah, we'll see over here for Goldie. I think it should be quite nice for the sells below. If you can't get them there, because this zone is rather a little bit small, we could just wait further below to 1625. But I still think the sells there below 1628 could be good. So let me just...
Max, are you looking at a descending trend line on gold there from the bottom of the Asian low? Or?
Yeah, I'll take a look. I think there is one there, yeah. I think I was looking at it before. 1 second. Okay. I'll take a look. So... Yes, take a look. So, Asian low here, then the second touch there. Yeah, I think that's a good one. Yeah, 100%. So we'll see if it gets to there. And that should be pretty good. 100%. Yeah, same as yours. Joey boy. 50-minute OB there. Oh, where? On Goldie. Oh, yeah.
Was that one on the 15-minute to the left there?
So,
is that what it tapped?
I think that's what they're saying, yeah.
That came up.
Hasn't tapped it yet, but it's close.
No, a bit further over to the left, like around 3 o'clock yesterday. No, a bit further, not.
Oh, there, yeah. I think so, but that was also just a little bit of a shit range, though. I don't know if that was.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying, did it come up? Maybe that's where it came up and.
Tapped, yeah, for sure. Looks like it,
into there.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Let's take a look at this GJ. GJ is pushing up very, very nicely. So yeah, we'll have to see it. I don't really like the range in GJ, to be honest with you, today. It's not really the best. Oh, the first one this morning. Yeah, I see you, boy. So yeah, we'll just wait patiently to break now. That's all we got to do. Yesterday there was no trades taken. There's quite a lot of OB trades yesterday, but for the most part there wasn't much the cleanest trades. So yeah, we'll keep this 5-minute trend line on gold, see what the score is, but it looks pretty good. If it gets a closure below there, it's got a clean candle below as well. So it could be quite nice. And that one there could be a little OB as well. Which could be targets for the 5 minutes, so. What does OB mean? It means order block. Reminder to GPB invention. Yeah, let's take a look at the news actually. Let's take a look today. So this morning we're actually not too bad. Yeah, nothing really this morning, which is good. USD again, full of fucking news. So NY session's probably gonna be shit again. But let's just see if we're gonna jinx it or not. Reminder to GPY invention, 150 is big level, and yesterday they say we are watching FX closely. Interesting. Interesting. So yeah, does anyone else have any ideas on GJ? Have they got any maybe ideas closer to price to take a trade? Can you take a look at EJ? Yeah, I'll do EJ as well. 1 second. So EJ, 1 second. EJ on the daily time frame. Last daily time frame closed bearish. Okay. Closed bearish. This one looking like it is making some support though, which is good. Right at 164,300. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is pushing up. Last one closes very, very bullish. So looking like it should come and retest the highs really here. Take a look at the hourly 30-minute. Yeah. So in terms of price and where you could have taken trades, I think you've probably missed it. Yeah, it might have been there in the hourly closure. Yeah. Hourly lower wick. How much is the hourly stops? 15 pips. Yeah, that should have been the trade. If you wanted to take EJ. I think. Runners could potentially continue to 145 flat. Sorry, 147 flat. So yeah. But I think that one there, that closure above, it was also hourly closure back above, so I think that was the trade you wanted really. That was the one. That was the one. So yeah. Who's that guy's name in the chat? I freaking love that. Lewis Trash Milton. I thought I was going to say Lewis Hamilton, but trash. Could be actually his own name. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we will see. But yeah, this week so far started on the 17th. Three trades, 3 wins. Yesterday wasn't the cleanest day, to be honest. And yeah, NY session is still being pooed. You guys all agreeing on the YouTube chat? My session's still ranging a little bit. We've got to wait patiently. We tried one trade that we all discussed actually on Goldie, but it was I'm pretty sure it was on the 5-minute. Was it there? No. Yeah, it was there. This 5-minute closed very, very strongly above all this level. This next candle retraced. We all took a buy. There, a stop loss below. It actually got to 12 pips, which is nice. But sorry, it got to 8 pips and then it wicked us out, which is a bit annoying. I got wicked out anyway. But I kind of wanted more of a room because this room to the next zone was 42 pips. So yeah. NY is wank, yeah. Agreed. Lately, early pre-London is the best, yeah, 100%. 100%. Could you see resistance on hourly 146727? Yep, I could see it there on the 30-minute, but you had the hourly making a beautiful low wick first, and when you get to that resistance, you just go break even. Yeah, it's only 3 pips. Yeah, it's fair if you wanted to miss that one, to be honest. 15 though is making good support. Can you see how the 15 res was there? Price came up, we came down, made some support. Nice low wick, the hourly. So on the 15 it actually looked not too bad. Just the 30-minute here is a bit rangy, that's all. Yeah, I don't know what's happened with the NY really. Actually, it's just been pretty meh. Pretty meh. 32 people already in the go. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Where can we get your trading journal, bro? My actual one, or there's that one. How many pairs do you usually follow? 2 or 3? 2 or 3. Oh, that EJ was nice, man. That EJ was good. In terms of buys, did I do buys? No, I didn't. Okay, let's take a look at buys in gold. So, in terms of clean candles, this is not an area I want to touch. And buys above there, that's 13 pips. That zone's way too small. Yeah, this is quite choppy on the way up, to be honest with you. So that kind of sucks for buys, to be honest. So, yeah, I'd probably want to look for buys above 1647. Because that's closing back above this zone and not with all this shit traffic. If it comes back above this zone, we should just fill this zone up, which is quite a big zone, even to the first level. Just like there. Choppy up there, yes. Yeah, it's very choppy. Choppy. No, just please tell me you aren't looking for buys. It makes my sales better. Yes. What price do you get in, Hein? I think if you're in sales on gold, you should probably be up by now. 1 hour flip. Hein, just be break even, bro. You're already up 10 pips. In fact, you're already up 23 pips and your stop loss is like 24, 25. So you should be taking some profits there. 100%. Got a huge hangover, so my brain is lacking. Gold on the 4 hour, it just activated the buy OB this morning. Ooh, okay. Very nice. Little buy OB. 2 candlesticks in a row with a no top wick. Kind of sucks. Wait, 2 candlesticks in a row with no top wick. Kind of sucks. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah. It's got a little one there, but it's not the best. To be honest with you, I quite like how this has turned into a little bit of an OB here, so later on when it comes back up we can take a sell on it. That's what I like. That's what I like. So yeah, now it's a waiting game. Patience waiting game. My fantasy football isn't doing well. Tea or coffee in the morning? Mine's tea. Oh, look how bad I am now. Everyone's ahead of me. I fucked up last week.
Fucking football, it'll be Lego next.
Oh, Trent got 8. What? Did he score? Oh no, he's got a clean sheet. Salah got 6 as well. No. No. We got one more player. I know 2 more players to play. Shit. Ask Brian. I don't think Brian's here yet. Yeah, Brian's sleeping today. He's looked at the charts and going, you know what? I'm gonna have a nice little morning. Nice little morning today. Is there an ascending trend line as well later on, maybe? Kind of happened before. I think this one pushed it. BOG statement said they will taper, not reflecting any JPYs as I can see yet. Wait, what? Damn it, English. Did that make sense? Chinese users debating to cut to inbound COVID quarantine. Are they still going through COVID? What the fuck? Hell no. If you were still going through COVID now, I don't know what I'd be doing. My God.
It's not about COVID, it's about control.
I know. Fucking stupid. Stupid. EJ rejecting. Well, it's just pushed into the zone. Should be already taking profits there. Now it's just sitting. This zone here to the left is going to be painful to trade. If you take a look to the left here, this 15 zone is shit. But the push off on the hourly in the 30 was nice. You take your profits, you get your 1-to-1, and then you leave it alone. This zone here is going to be shite. We have been locked up for 2 weeks now, COVID. Oh my god. What?
Where's that?
I don't know. Yeah, where's that? Gold might be going up again as it has reached the lowest point again on the 4-hour time frame.
Pretty
Yeah.
burning.
Hoping for a double bottom on gold.
Yeah. Dual bottom could be nice. We'll have to wait a little longer, I think. There's not much volume yet, but it'll come.
Double bottom on the daily. That'd be nice.
It's already done that. It's already came and tapped it. So
Wait,
yeah.
on the daily?
The daily's already tapped the low. 1622. An Asian session.
1622.
Yeah, it's in China. Zero COVID is some real BS. Yeah, zero COVID. I want to ask you a question. Notice that Raja trades. He only looks at recent levels, support and resistance. He doesn't take into account the old levels. What do you think? Yeah, I mean it's just taking into account things that are close. It's not like fucking miles away. So yeah, I think taking things into account. I would say like overall, I'm just looking at stuff that's like recent. Like that EJ one here. That was, even though it's not recent because it's on the 19th. It was yesterday, and price did this in this zone. This is the first time it's pushed back in this zone, so it's recent news. But like back to here, I'm not asked because this is the nearest one. Yeah. Any trust news today? I don't know. Goldie pushing down.
Is she still in trust? Because I don't watch the news.
I don't know. I haven't watched anything either, but pretty sure people are trying to get her out.
Yeah. Trying to get dishy-rishy, are they?
Are they? Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I think he's like more part of the
Yeah.
kind of like agenda, so to speak.
Well, I think he pretty much only lost that one because of that stupid video that came out.
Oh, really?
Well, it looks like it, because that video came out when he was like, oh, I need to get all the money back into these counties. And it was like a really wealthy county. And say, oh, what a cunt.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And it was literally him, like, speaking at a conference, like, saying, we need to get the money back to this, I don't know, like, fucking Surrey or some shit. And this,
Yeah.
It's like, fucking hell. That's really done you dirty there, you idiot.
I think what we need is a modern day Guy Fawkes who actually succeeds.
Yeah. A bunch of fucking wallies, man.
I'm not inciting violence or anything, but it would be appreciated.
You can't get anything right. Yeah, they're just fucking idiots, man.
I was thinking that today when I was out on my walk. I was like, I did not follow no news unless it's like to do with the markets, because it's a load of bullshit, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's rigged massively. How can that Liz Truss is a complete muppet? She can hardly string a sentence together.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is, the majority of people get taken in, and they, everything they see on the news and all the rest of it. Even though I think, definitely the last few years, I think it's become a bit of like a pantomime.
100%.
But a lot of people just look at it and they think, oh my god, look what's happened today.
Yeah,
And
well, I was out
my
my dog walk this morning. About 6 a.m. and I was unbelievable the amount of people sitting in front of their telly watching the news.
I
was like,
mad.
What the hell? Why?
I know. My mum does it. And then,
I was going to say, older generation
anxiety. I go, fucking no wonder why. All you do is depressed watching the fucking news every day.
Yeah.
People won't learn.
it went from
Especially
COVID to now the energy crisis. No one can feed their
Well,
families.
no, it went to the war in Ukraine. Didn't
Well,
it?
yeah,
we got everything at the moment. We got energy, we got food, supply,
There were wars coming.
finance. Everybody's skint.
yeah. Everyone's skint, but they're happy you could complain
Not
about
you,
COVID.
Max.
No,
Not you, man.
Everybody else.
everyone's skint, but they're happy to complain about it for 2 years that everyone wanted to get locked up, and they were happy with that. Fucking grannies, fucking idiots.
If you're
Oh, that
honest
was
about it, why is everybody skint?
Huh?
Because most
If you're
people
honest
aren't-
about it, why
because
is
the
everybody
cost- It's
skint?
the cost of living.
Because they don't put their effort into fucking upgrading their lives, and they blame it on everybody else and rely on society and the government.
Well,
their
yeah,
hands
and
out.
Because 90% of them are all over leveraged.
yeah, 100%.
Yeah, but that's what's been created for them.
Yeah, it was
It's been
You
created
have to
to
take that
get you on the fucking treadmill and
Yeah,
keep you until you
but
retire.
yeah, but you just gotta think like just certain aspects of life. You gotta think, oh, is this the right financial decision for me to do? But
Yeah,
then
no, but most people don't. That's the point.
yeah, exactly.
That's the point.
100%.
It's all there in
Right.
black and white, though, isn't it?
Most people follow the rules, do
Yeah.
what's right, even though they think it's wrong. Like we see.
It
with
is all
COVID.
there in black and white. All you gotta do is look on fucking YouTube for financial advice, and you'll get some
Yeah.
good videos telling you.
Well, no, if you get a mortgage, it clearly states in your mortgage pack what happens to your repayments if the interest rate does this.
Yeah.
And people don't listen to it.
Yeah.
So I think it was something like 36% of people with a mortgage can't afford it if the interest rate gets to 5%.
Yeah, that's mad amounts.
And if they all dump their properties on the market,
I'm gonna
Then
be
the-
fucking Monopoly playing.
prices of houses will drop, and
Yeah.
then it'll just create the whirlwind of shit.
Give some time for the younger people to buy some houses. Too fucking
How
right.
will the younger people buy houses when the interest rate will go higher?
Well, buy them in cash, boy. We don't play around, these young boys. Buy that shit in cash.
I'm glad I'm not watching the depressing news. Fucking cheerful conversation, isn't it?
Just be
Yeah.
honest, we're fucked. Get over it.
Yeah, exactly.
Civil War.
Civil War. Long as my pockets are good, I couldn't give a fuck.
It's a big opportunity for people that's got funds behind them.
Yeah, exactly, man. Just get your Monopoly board out. Get practicing. When the fucking houses come on, just if you got some granddads, kick the bucket, get the fucking money out, and stop buying houses up.
Yep, we'll start the next bubble. We'll all get into property, over leverage with mortgages, and in 18 years' time, we'll be back in the same position.
Oh yes.
But you're only going to be like that if you've not structured your business correctly.
100%.
You're talking to the wrong person here. I've sold everything. All my luxuries have gone. I've paid off everything
How come?
because I saw all this coming.
Yeah. 100%. It's just been also. I mean, actually, I didn't look as in it, but yeah, it's just one of them things. Especially with the interest. Can you? Yeah, I don't actually know about that. Do you know when you go? Because I've only had my first mortgage thing. When you go and remortgage it, so after like 5 years, can you do it? Can you do it sooner than 5 years?
Yeah, but you'll
Yeah,
pay a
so what?
penalty.
So that's when people they need to help themselves. I mean, that's just retarded.
No, but you
My
might pay like
dad.
you might pay a 2% penalty, Max. So if you got a £300 mortgage, you might end up paying like 60 grand or whatever.
I suppose, because I think my dad remortgaged 3 of his rental properties last year because of this.
Right.
When they brought out those 10-year fixed deals, I thought, God, you must be crazy to take them. Now it's like whoever took a 10-year fixed deal 3-4 years ago, you're on a winner.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. It's ridiculous though, the money what you could borrow for so little.
I know it
The
was.
cheapest one was the Mortgage Works delivered mortgages with a 2-year fixed rate of 1.55%.
I had a
Yeah,
couple of them.
that's good. That's
It's
beautiful.
like 1,500 quid a year per 100 grand you borrow.
That's good.
So
that.
any landlord are out like that, jumping on that, it's
fucking
like,
buying
yeah,
them. Yeah.
rather than borrowing 600, I'm going to borrow 1 million.
Yeah. This Goldie, this GJ 30-minute close bullish, 15-minute looking like it's making some support. I just think the zone is just a little bit shitty. How much would it be to that high? Yeah, it's not enough. It's only 10 pips. Not the best. Oh, Brian's here this morning now. Sleepy boy, you been sleeping? You got started.
Wasn't sleeping, boy. Wasn't sleeping.
You're sleeping on the charts, boy.
Making.
I bet you
tips,
Brian's
boy.
been up at least 3 hours.
Yeah, they already had 3 wins and 1 break even. Literally. True story, scouts on him.
Beautiful. This Goldie's coming down for this trend line, maybe. It's a shame that the 15 has no top wick, though. It's a bit annoying.
A lot of that 15 don't have top wick.
Yeah, that's true. The last 30s don't. This GJ, 30-minute close bullish. It's a shame about this, the area, though, eh? It's a little bit shit. Just to look at this 4 hour now. Yeah. Thing is, the only issue with the trend line is we're coming to right next to 4 hour support for our trade. It's the only issue. Can you see here? So if I got rid of this line, the 4 hour time frame is, it's 6 pips away from the 4 hour support. So that's not enough room for me, unfortunately. I don't think. Not enough room. Where were your wins from, Bri? What?
This morning's GJ Wickful.
This one here.
Yeah, and then that same OB right there, that icy candle. Retest for a buy.
Oh, there.
Yeah, and then we sold the icy candle at the top. So this one, we got a retest of this, but it's stuffed around, so I got break even there. And then gold now on a 15-minute icy candle we bought.
You bought?
Yeah, and that went up. Now it's coming down.
Oh, I saw this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that one.
So it's GJ win, GJ break even, gold win.
How did this push down? Let's look at them a minute. Did it even get there? Did you just go in a little bit early, Bri?
Yeah, a little bit early actually.
Yeah, I was thinking.
Didn't touch the
Didn't
fucking
actually touch
wicket,
it.
Yeah.
I was thinking I was watching that.
I was shouting. I was a session in a Discord, and his internet cracked, like shat the brain.
Oh, shut yourself.
I'm busy shouting here in my house. Sasha! Hearing me?
The second it came down there, my internet just went, nope.
Yeah, straight away. I did watch it. I was like, oh, it's quite a good level as well, especially in the 5-minute support as well, but I didn't tap it. Hein doing well with his trade. Heiny boy, yeah, is Hein still in these gold cells over here?
Really?
Yeah. Can anyone join your Discord? Yeah, just to post charts and stuff. There's nothing really much going on. I can't be asked to monitor it, to be honest with you. I've got too much stuff to do. But it's good for charts. Take a look at Marky over here. Oh, there's the wick fill. That's a nice little trade. Beautiful. That's a nice little wick too, eh? Yeah. Very nice. Beautiful work. Next candle first made the bottom wick and then flipped, entered in the flip stop plus 21 pips. Went break even at resistance. Yep, class, that's where you go break even. TP1 is wick fill hit to the T. Beautiful work. That was a class trade this morning. Very nice. Very nice. So the 5-minute trend line has closed. Let's just take a look at this 4 hour. It's just annoying how it's right there, for fuck's sake. But in terms of where you'd have your stop, it'd be like there. It's not actually that bad, now, because there's no fucking bottom wick yet. Let's see if this can push up a little bit higher to this retest. What do you guys think? The only thing is, as well, actually, is look. Right on this 5-minute. So it's a little bit of a sus one, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at the 15 as well. 8 minutes left. I just feel the move is a little bit higher up, to be honest. I think I'm getting in a little bit too low. If I'm taking a look at where price is rejected off, it's a closure back below there. This is the trade. Now it's came back down to where it could have some issues, so not really the best for me, I don't think. But it is on the 15. You might be able to get to the flip and then just go break even. But if this closed a little bit further below, I'd rather like it a little bit more. But because it's right at that 4-hour support, and it's also hit that 5-hour support as well. 5 minutes, sorry. Do you think GJ resistance is 168.245? 245. Yeah. So yeah, it has closed above, but on the 30. But look at the 15. It's fucking res all here. This is shit price action. Hell no. Shit price action, boy. There's the retest. Brian, you looking at this retest?
Yep.
Yeah, I was thinking. How far would... he's got a top wick as well.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's the problem.
Yeah, I'm just like...
That is the only thing that is...
I mean, you could have your stop there for 20 pips.
The 1 hour also doesn't have a top width.
Yeah. I mean, your stop would be 20 pips or so. Write it back down to the OB to 1625. Is that where you're looking? Down here, Bri?
Yeah, for TP target, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I see a lot of people will be in here, but I'm just gonna wait a little longer. I'm just a bit cautious. Just gonna flip this 15.
Can very well.
But the 1 minute looks good though.
Yeah, it's coming above the trend line, which isn't the best idea.
No. Man, just jump in, come join me in the dark side. It's a good option, I think, if things were a little bit more aligned on the other time frames. But in terms of just the 5, it's a minute left. It's made this top wick, so that's the entry that people will be looking for here. Even if you get down to the flip, 12 pips, 13 pips, continue further to 42. Yeah, it's reasonable. I'm staying out of it, but let's just paper it.
Yeah, I'm in. I was already in as well.
Nice. Good lad.
Just gotta push like another pip or two, and I'll be going BE. Yeah.
How many pips do you go break even on Goldfin?
8.
8, okay. I'm at 6.5 now, 7.
Yeah, I'm at 8 now.
How the fuck did you get? You must have got in before, Finn. Did you get in? What was your price?
Nah.
I see.
No, I just got in right. It literally tapped me in at the perfect price.
Beautiful. Very nice. So let's see for the boys. See if we can get a nice W for them.
Oh.
Yeah, you want that flip there. That's the only thing with this 5 minute support. If it flips here, then
that reaction.
Yeah, but because it's such a safe entry, you just go break even. If it pushes it, it's an extra 10, 12 pips in your account. If not, it's break even. So it's one of them ones where you know you're gonna get into some profit and you just fucking sit there.
Well, if it breaks its own high, I'll cut it. I don't care.
Yeah, I'll just be break even here. But yeah, own high, so you get one pip or so.
Yeah.
It's looking
Hopefully
good.
this 5 just opens and drops.
Yeah.
It's looking like a BE right now though.
I don't like what the 3 minutes doing.
Oh no, double bottom.
Yeah.
The 5 minutes.
Let's take a look.
5 minute close on the trend line.
Yeah. And now we just celery.
Celery, boy.
No, just add another position.
Add another position. Looks too sketch. Yeah, well, it's not sketch because you can just be break even here, right? You know, if you up like 2 pips or whatever, see if it pushes. If it does, it's great. If it doesn't, you just get out of BE, boy.
I like how my MT5 is presenting the candles to me. Because I have a gap. On the 15 minute from 30.35 to 31. There's a gap there. And then I have a gap from 31.36 to almost 32. And this is on the 15 minute then. So what my MT5 is doing, I don't like it, so I'm not in it.
Yeah, I think good management though for people. Good management though. So that's the thing. I think I'm not gonna lie. The reason why I stayed out of this mainly is because of this. Every time I see it on the sim, it's always fucks around. To the T, it's hit that support.
Should have held my buy limit on.
Your buy limit.
I had a buy limit on. And it almost tapped me. Now it's gonna play.
GJ, 30 minutes made the lower wick. Hey, this might not be too bad if it just gave you any fucking volume to fill these wicks. Fuck. Have you eyed anything on GJ Brian this morning? Still don't like the zone too high.
Give it. Yeah, well, not in that mess now on the 15 and 30.
Yeah, it's messy.
We've already been in that. You know what I mean?
Been
And
there
there was
for a
a
while,
couple
like.
of candles. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's just time to leave GJ alone for another day and sit on
And how was
gold.
how was that GJ short? How long were we in there?
Oh man, I was fucking stressing my balls off for about 25 minutes.
Really? Did you
So
take it
close
though?
to tapping me. Yeah.
Nice.
To buy and then close the buy to sell.
Wait, did you take the 3 wins before as well, Vinny boy?
I took 1 and a BE, and then now 2 BEs on gold.
Yeah, fair.
Many trades in the morning.
Beautiful, beautiful. Max, why don't you have a resistance on 30-minute on gold if the price closes above and makes a support? We can have buys to retest. Okay, let's take a look. Why don't you have a... this goldie might work now. Why don't you have a resistance on the 30-minute on gold? What do you mean? I do have a resistance. It's there. But the 15 resistance... You know, it's in terms of zones. I don't have to put it on this resistance high. This was the previous support, and we closed back in the zone, which is there. I actually wanted to take this trade, and I had it actually already, but this hourly made no top wick, which is annoying. But it's just in terms of zones. I don't draw my zones, you know, for no reason. I draw them like this. So this one here is zone 1, because this is zone 1 is zone 1 resistance, zone 1 support. This is zone 2. Can you see that we've pretty much filled zone 2? This is zone 2 resistance, this is zone 2 support. We've pretty much filled this zone. And then below is zone 3, which actually is going to be where we're going to take buys in this OB, I'm not going to lie. I think I'm going to take a buy there, 100%, on this 5-minute OB. But apart from that, yeah, looking like... On the 3-minute time frame, looking like GJ is, Goldie is just sitting around. Maybe a little bit of an M formation down the one.
Recording in progress.
Recording in progress.
Which OB are you looking at, Max?
Gold 5-minute.
Price?
1626.8 to 1625.6.
Yeah, you have it on the 15 minutes as well.
Yeah. It's actually a little bit further down, it's like there.
Yep.
Fuck, that was intense. I've taken 4 trades this morning already.
Holy shit, man. Hey, yeah, getting good to just triggering them, mate. Triggering them, getting it good confidence, man. Helps out. Wait, Max, do you say all this stuff, or is there someone sending you messages giving you things to say? Wait, what?
Honestly, what an insult.
You're a fucking puppet, is what he's saying.
Wait, what? Wait, is there someone sending you messages giving you things to say?
I'm
Your script writer.
Fucking Brian's got his hand up Max's ass.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for Brian's messages in the chat. Let's see if Brian sent me today. Fucking nothing.
Yeah, fucking 0.
Raji just messaged me on Instagram to tell me what I have to say.
So that's the secret, huh?
Yeah, boy. Max is a bot. Confirmed. That's great.
We'll give you your cue cards on Monday, Max, for the new week.
Okay, thank you.
When someone says this, you say that only.
Yeah.
Max is a politician now.
Yeah, exactly. A puppet.
You're getting some shit today. Wow.
Oh, this Goldie, is it gonna continue? It's just around.
Bias, it could hold here, honestly. It's holding that double bottom there like crazy.
Yeah, 30 still got no top wick. Hourly.
What are these?
30
Look at all the top wicks.
I know, there's no top wicks.
That buy area, the bottom's looking
Very nice.
Hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you talking 1626?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, even that's naughty, isn't it?
Yep.
Except this could just go now.
Someone says in the chat, 1 second, where was it? It was about the OB below. He says, fuck, I missed it. Might have deleted it. He says you have a much safer OB below that level. Oh, this one here.
There, but
yeah. 1625 on the higher time frame. Yeah, you're right. It could just nut to the first one, but I still think you could probably get a nice little reaction to at least 1628 if you take it by here. GJ's doing nothing, boy, nothing. What's it been waiting for? It's done jack all. Did it move later on in the day? Yeah, 4:30, 4 o'clock. On GJ, when it's messy on the 15, however it's clean on the 30, can't we enter the trade just based on the 30? No. If GJ's messy on the 15 and cleaner on the 30, it's still messy. The zone's still messy. So what you're doing is you're trying to avoid a zone because you want to take a trade in this area, but realistically, if you know price is a messy, shitty area, it's probably going to do the same. It's just you can't see it on the 30 yet. I think you mean now, right? The 30-minute time frame, it's closed above. This one's making a low wick to continue, but have you not realized that there's only 11 minutes left of this candle and it's done fuck all? Why? Because the lower time frames are ranging. So I think just avoiding one time frame because another one looks better is just trying to convince yourself that the trade's there when it really isn't. Like this 15's ass. 5 minutes ass. It's just ranging. 30 though is looking okay, but you gotta remember that if it's range like this, there's clearly not enough volume right now, so you gotta wait for the volume to kick back in, if it kicks in at all. Damn, that's important info for me. Thanks, man. Yeah, exactly, man. Just look for the clean zones. Just look for the clean areas. They'll be clean in all time frames, and then just target them. You know what I mean? I like the cells here from there to there, right? Now, why do I like that? Well, if you take a look at past experiences, price launched down in like 3 candles. Price came up in 1 candle, and now look, price came down in 1 candle. Okay, now that looks beautiful on the 15, on the 30, on the hourly. So it all corresponds that area is going to be nice to trade in. So that for me was the trade. This closure below on the 30, can you see there? All I wanted to do was wait for this next hourly to make a little top wick, but unfortunately it didn't, and it just nutted straight away. Okay, that's the trade for the gold because the zone was clean.
Woohoo! So Max, how come you was waiting for the top wick? Is that just within your trading plan?
Well, yeah, it's just this. Normally, it's the start of the hourly, right? Look at the hourly. So my stop loss on the previous hourly time frame, yeah, it'd be 28 pips. It's quite a big stop, right? Quite a big stop on the hourly. And all I would do is just if I wait for the hourly here, we get the reflip. It gives me extra confirmation because like 2 things, right? It makes me have a nicer stop because I can use current candle. So it makes a tighter stop. It also means that this hourly, I know at the start of hourlies, we make, top wicks and bottom wicks. They normally just, get rid. So if I know they're going to make a top wick or a bottom wick, 8 times out of 10, if I take the sell here straight away, I know that I'm going to have to take some drawdown, right? 8 times out of 10, because I know that this next candle is going to make a top wick. So if I can, the whole point of a good trade, the best trade is a trade with 0 drawdown. if I know that there's a probability that I'm gonna have to hold a bit of drawdown here, and actually if it breaks this high, I'm pretty fucked. Whereas what happens is if I just wait for this next candle to wick up, if it breaks that high, then the fake out happens and I don't get slapped because I'm not in yet. Also, if we then reflip, so when this candle reflips, I've got the rejection from zone 1. Again, if it reflips, it's rejecting that zone, and then it should drive into zone 2 very nicely. So it first of all avoids me from getting fake outs, because I'm waiting for the top wick, and if it breaks that high, I'm not going to get in. So it avoids fake outs. It confirms more of a rejection in the previous zone, and also in some cases, it makes me have a tighter stop because I'm using current candle high if it reflips. So three reasons, yeah.
Sweet.
No, Goldie, don't do it. Not yet.
Do it, Goldie.
Do it, Goldie.
Do it.
Is it 3-minute W? Oh, it is. People looking at this when this 3-minute closes? Ah, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't.
Okay, gold.
If I'd left my position yesterday, I would have caught my record of 220 pips.
Oh.
Yeah, on that OB. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, the stinking OB. I remember seeing that.
Yeah.
15 pips.
Nah. So we got 7 minutes left for the hourly. 7 minutes left.
Dumping. Fuck, I gotta go in 40 minutes.
You've
Come
got
on, Goldie. Just fucking tank.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Tank! Do it!
Wait for a sell.
No, come and get the buys, Bats.
Ah, okay.
Ben just wants this cocktail money.
I do. I just want to make $10,000 real quick and then I'll fuck off.
You mean at
GP 's
least?
gonna be high as fuck.
Yeah, I mean it'll move quickly above back to 1632 pretty quick. Some guy goes.
CP?
You mean at least 2 time frame confirmations necessary to enter? No, it's not. It's not at least. It's not like a set. I feel like it. You know, at the start learning, you try and have a set thing, but it's not. It's just how things look, and when you start seeing things that work out, you happily take them. It's just the zone's clean, and normally the zone's clean at all time frames, or most of them. So as long as the 15 doesn't look shockingly shit and the 30 looks decent, which normally doesn't happen anyway, then. You're fine. Yeah, I don't know about this fucking Goldie, man. How long left for the 4 hour? The 4 hour's got 2 hours left, man. If you can get an entry down here for this low wick of the 4 hour, that's the thing, I think. I think that's what everyone's looking for.
Is that to then buy it back up?
Well, yeah, I think a lot of people are liking this holding this level. And if you take a look at the 4 hour time frame, right, the last one closed bullish, holding support at this level. This candle could be just making the lower wick to then reflip and continue. And obviously, if you're getting an entry there, you can have this whole trade.
Premium.
Yeah.
I see. So just at the moment, the 4 hours just clearing up that imbalance.
Well, yeah, it's just coming back down to retest to support that. It's
also
it's
1
just
hour
left.
break and retest, eh?
Yeah.
30-minute break and retest. 15 minutes on that IC. This could get a retester.
Yeah.
No bottom wick. Amazing.
No fucking bottom wick.
Can't be asked.
Here goes the rocket. Bro.
Oh, the 3 has one, to be fair. But it didn't close fucking strongly as well.
I'll wait for the hourly anyway in case it makes a fucking big lower wick and taps
2
us
hours
out.
closing as well.
Yeah.
He's head and shoulders.
When you see gold candles have no wick, just know it's the volume and its confirmation it will move.
That's not how it works.
Yeah.
It's not how it works now.
Yeah. I know a lot of the time when a farmer doesn't have a bottom wick or top wick, it fucking goes. You know what I mean? That's where the GJ autistic candles came in. You know what I mean?
Yeah, boy. Praying for 10 grand first. Sure, yeah. Make sure to like the stream, guys. 46 likes, 250 people here ready for London Open. Run them likes up. I said 150 likes, we'll do a Magic Keys giveaway. Well, also, if you go on Instagram and you comment on my Instagram, the past 2 or 3 posts, we're going to do also another Magic Keys giveaway there too. Let's get some tax write-offs, boy. Send some Magic Keys.
That Insta post with Jason is so hilarious. Oh my God.
I've watched it probably like 20 times.
Yeah. Great.
What is
Correct it all the time.
It's just that when he didn't get into the trade and we were all in.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck off.
Fuck off, man. He got his revenge. He came back. He took some stankers. My guy got his microscope out and did a 100 times zoom, and he got some fucking millisecond trades in this bitch.
Literally, like 6 just in that range it was in.
Yeah, he goes. I just took a bag of trade. I'm like, oh. He goes, go to the 1 minute. I'm like, oh my god. Just like,
Go to the 1 minute.
Yeah, nice. You got a sniper. Holy shit. Go to the 1 minute.
It's so funny.
Come on, Goldie, just tank. Come get our entry in, bitch.
Yeah. Also, for the people in the YouTube asking a broker to have tight spreads, I've got my recommended one there. If you sign up there, you help me out, and it doesn't cost you fuck all. And the spreads are this right now. Look at Goldie, 0.9 pips.
I should have sent Tyne your link. You would have been fucking retired already.
Retired. Some people are using my link, actually, to be fair. I need to actually check my partners thing, because every day I'm getting like 60 quid commissions.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good shit, that.
Tyne would definitely bump that up to 100 a month.
100 a month? No, I'm getting 60 quid a day, bro.
A day?
A day?
Then it would definitely be up to
I'm
100
getting
a
60
day.
quid a day recently. This past week, I'm getting...
That's food money.
I know, bro. That's fucking...
That's boss. That's boss.
Damn,
passive income,
shit.
bro. That fucking 60 quid a day. Fuck. It obviously goes in troughs. That's what broke is.
You'll be down to 50 quid a day.
Yeah, Stevie Boy probably gives you quite a lot. Actually, I could probably find out how much Stevie Boy gives me.
Markins last month was $6,000.
Yeah,
so if you get a percentage of that,
I don't know if I even have you on, because that's a lot. 6,000. I should get. What's your name on it? When did you sign up?
August.
August. Okay. Let's just take a look at 8 o'clock before I fuck around here. Yeah, there's nothing really. This gold, I still want it to come down further, to be honest. How's the hourly gonna close? Bearish. Yeah, maybe someone's gonna take these buys and have some fun time with, but I think for me it's gonna be a little bit hard. August. Is your name Steve?
No.
Oh.
No.
No. No.
Alias.
Yeah. Over the last 30 days, I've had 377 trades.
What?
I don't think I even have you on this. Motherfucker, get your link back on this bitch. Six grand. Holy shit. Fucking have 6 G's. I'll get like 2 grand of that. Fuck. I think I get a third. I don't know how that works, actually. That's madness. Oh, no, I do have you, Steve. Yeah, I've got you.
£155,246.86.
Yeah. I see. And there's Ibs. I see Ibs. Ibs isn't used this anymore.
Oh,
It looks good.
Is gone?
It says your starting balance was 10 grand. Obviously, you add to it, don't you?
Yeah, Ibs.
You think he's finished trading?
He needs to chill.
Yeah, but boy, he wasn't cut out for that shit, man. His temper was fucking.
He was funny as fuck.
He was,
fucking
but it was.
Yeah. I got a good advert for you, Max.
Uh-huh.
Joined in August and I'm 36.87% up.
Fucking hell, that's some good shit, that. Hey, you didn't class, to be fair. When did you start? Did you start before, Steve? Did you trading before?
Not on Forex.
Really? Fucking hell, you're doing well good then. Holy shit.
Mate, and you're using like 0.1s. Oh no, sorry, 0.1% of your risk, right?
I still do the 1.4s on. I only use 0.1s on my 1 minute gold trading.
Okay.
Yeah. But they seem to do well. You should boost that up soon, man. Getting a good hit rate.
You went to 0.2%, didn't you? Recently?
No, I ain't gone up to 0.2. I will do.
That's class. That you didn't even do it before. You got some good. Did you get emotions? Did you feel some emotions and get a little bit pissed off, or you're pretty good? Over trading and that.
I'm reading books. I've just gone through all of Ninja's videos.
Uh-huh.
I took a Ninja esque trade yesterday on EU on the 4 hour. Took 100 pips.
Nice.
I think Taylor took the same one as well. I wasn't sure where to get out. Yeah, I took 100 pips, but from what I've learned from Ninja, I should have waited longer. Yeah.
Very nice. So this Goldie, yeah, I mean the buys are good, but I just think it's got to come down a little bit further first. So I'm just gonna leave this. GJ is doing jack all. So this is the first kind of London session that's not really done anything yet. It's okay. That's what you get given.
I've got a question. When it says volume traded, obviously that figure is ridiculous.
Yeah, I don't know why it says that. Does it? I'm reading yours now. It says volume traded.
I got 357.
It says your total volume on C Trader is. What the fuck is that? Is that a USD? Nah, that's that's a massive figure. That's like 18 million. If you got 18 million count. If you got I was thinking, yeah. It's to be honest with you, all this stuff here is fucking bullshit. I'm listening to half of it.
It says my average deal size is 418 grand.
Yeah, like what the fuck is that?
In dollars.
What the fuck?
It's interesting to read, though, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. I've got 85% win rate on short trades.
There you go, man. Sells for the win.
45 on long.
What's Ninja's YouTube channel called? What's it called again, guys?
Zamco Capital. Yeah.
I think I've spelled that wrong. Wait.
I got it.
Okay. Put it in the YouTube. Yeah, cheers.
Yes.
Nice. Jesus, you are fast session. Fucking
oh, Dr. Dollar's gonna get slapped.
What you say, mate?
I see you fast, mate.
I don't worry, man. Quick. Now, this gold doesn't look terrible now. You are running straight into that. 15, how much is the range? 16 pips, 17 pips from the retest.
Well, if we close strong here, I ain't gonna buy off that fucking little candle, bro.
I don't know, I'm taking the retest to go down.
Yeah. Dollar took a buy there.
Give me a wick. Are you bad?
Take a buy there?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Who took a buy? Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, dollar.
Oh
no.
Go up. No, down. Up.
Go down.
You fucking twit.
Let me make this not as fucking illuminated.
You hold the trend line on the 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles.
Not
all
close.
of them closed below.
Yeah,
it still held it 100%.
Yeah, still held the fucking trend line. And if you held your stops, so if you entered when the 5 minute closed at 28.77 and you held your stops all the way to the top, 31.26, you'll still be in. Big stops, true, but you'll still be in.
Yeah, but if you just took it on the top of that 5,
it's 25 pips stop. It's not.
Yeah, but just that IC is 30. You could have had 14 pips stop. You're still safe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is anyone taking this? I can't just call out because I'm not fucking into this stuff. But
I ain't buying there.
Yeah, it's quite. It's also 8 o'clock. It's got a lot of volume. Let's wait. I mean, even if you miss this one, you could just go and get that one.
Check the 2 hour.
You want the 1 minute doing what it's doing.
So you still closed above, right?
Yeah.
You still closed here. So down here still looks alright.
Yeah, I still.
So we'll see. Zimbal's
As I said earlier, Max, I want the double bottom on the daily.
Yeah, but do you mean actually like a close there? Because it's already wicked. Yeah, it's fair. I was thinking it's already wicked down to the double bottom 1622.
Yeah, I won't feel comfortable buying unless it was on lower time frames.
Yeah. Let's take a look at the 4 hours and that. The 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours. Oh. Right. For 2 minutes, I'm just gonna go to the toilet. Wait a little longer. Keep it on gold.
Max, that's a mistake.
Yeah, I think it's. Can you pinch, boy? Can you pinch? Yeah, he's a gun. Just tie that foreskin in a knot.
Oh, disgusting. Disgusting. GJ looks fun. Where's Ginger?
Oh, easy. I thought he was maybe gone.
What?
What are you doing?
Not much, really.
Where's
It's 26.
Gold came down like a fucking train. Motherfucker.
Actually, did push off that.
Steve's selling off that 1 minute OB, aren't you?
I'm at 4 if you look.
Check it the 30 Sash. You'll see it tapped it.
Oh, yes, it did.
Look at the 1 minute.
No, I just had it a bit lower.
If you look at the 1 minute, you push it out. You have a beautiful head and shoulders. Retest at 28.79 to continue the push down. So we get the OB at 26.
Mm.
No, motherfucker. Didn't hit my limit.
You're talking about retest up top to continue down.
Yeah, well, I'm looking now at the 1 minute. And if you look at it, it's a perfect head and shoulders. Come down, came up, came down,
1 minute,
all the way up, and then came down at the perfect neckline, and then came up again to the shoulder, and then came down. Now it's coming up to retest the neckline, I would say, and then pump down to come to the OB, and then, well, tell us what you want to do, up or down.
Agreed.
It's a bit sketch today, up, down, up, down.
True story, yeah. All over the show, right?
Yesterday was fucking easy as fuck. Just down, then up.
Every day.
Are you guys not? Did anyone take that buy there?
No.
Maybe.
Didn't hit my limit.
Maybe.
It was on the 30 fin.
How much did you
Yeah,
get out?
no, I didn't see it till it was too late.
Yeah.
I had it just a whisker lower. I had it on that 15 now.
It was the 30. It was the 30.
Do. Oh,
Missed me
GG.
by 1.8 pips.
Wait, which one? Here.
The gold buy.
Yeah. It was close, but not close enough. Oh no, it did. Oh shit, mine was actually a little bit. Oh, it was very close.
Bet on the 30-minute max.
Yeah, the 30 minute it touched the wick.
Yeah,
27
touch.
Oh, there.
Yeah, because it's still a break and close above. You see, so it still makes it active.
Oh, what a trade.
This would have been on too.
So let's just say that you triggered that. Stop loss below was 17 pips. So 13 stop loss to break even, I'd say now. It's good stuff. GJ looking... Okay, let's just take a look. GJ is horrible. Took an L. When the hourly closed bearish... When the hourly closed bearish... Oh, that one there. I took a sell. But the region below seemed choppy. Well, why did you take the sell then?
You had a lot of contradicting on that.
Yeah.
To sell just off the flip. Because you had the IC above.
Yeah, I think.
So you
if
had
it's-
that running into. You also had the IC creator top. So there's
Yeah.
Quite a lot.
If
If
so,
it's clean, you can just go for it.
but it's not. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think just being a little bit more cautious with your bullets, man. Make sure the zone's clean, and then your trade's probably going to be a little bit easier to deal with. Oh, the goalie's good.
I can't believe you got bars on that gold.
Who did?
Brian.
Ah, you cheeky cunt.
Fucking loves it.
When I first started, and Finn would be real horrible to Brian, you know, like call him horrible name.
Yeah.
What an horrible bastard. But now I completely get it.
I totally get it. Fucking Brian goes, oh, I'm not going to take a buy here because it's pushing down too high.
I think she did just say that.
He did, yeah.
Yeah, I
Man,
did.
don't
I
listen
did.
to a word he says. Listen to his click of the button of his fucking magic keys.
100%. Just listen to this.
Holy,
Just
I
listen
don't,
to
I don't listen to that waffle.
You've done the dirty today, Brian.
Listen, mate. That's all you need to hear, okay?
If this see this is one where it's like, should you hold the whole way? Because if this gets a big reaction, man, you can easy 50-60 pips full risk if it just gets that push. So it's so hard with runners. From one thing.
What makes you think it's going to go up?
Well, because we're holding this 4-hour support. The daily time frames already came back down to your low, so we don't need to come back down to it again.
Right.
And actually, take a look at the hourly. The zone's clean to 50 pips back up.
So instead of confirmations, it's more like suggestions.
Well, yeah. But there's no confirmation. You don't need a confirmation because you're in the trade. We're talking about we're in the trade. If you're in the trade there,
yeah,
you know, it's just where could price go to? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in the meantime, but it's just like, oh, such a discounted entry if it runs. Max, look at UJ. This has been a corruption element. Oh wait, UJ's. People still trade UJ?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's Wick
Fuck
Central.
that.
Hell no.
You should leave that shit in the dumpster.
Yeah. That's what
Look at
it's-
those wicks,
that
bro. Look at those wicks. That's amazing
Oh
to get
my.
trapped in.
That's horrible.
Every single break. Hey, that looks like a pair for Hein, actually. He takes the break of every 5-minute high or low. That's
Watched Raja after you suggested him. His stream was good, but not as good as yours. Also, he seemed more angry, lol. Kept saying he'd stop the stream if not enough likes. Yeah, I think what you need to remember, Scott, is Raja's done what I'm doing now for 2 years, and then my guy made that shit. My guy is the goat, so he doesn't have to be nice to people. He's just there for a bit of fun.
Once you've made 3 milli, your patience
That's 6
wasted
milli.
with, 6 milli even. Your patience wasted.
It's disgusting, actually.
He's just rinse his people in the chat. It's so funny.
Yeah, that's great.
Best is when it comes from his Zoom. When his Zoom.
Bye, honey. Love you.
Ooh. The best is when his Zoom drops the ball, mate, or he flips it.
Yeah, that's great.
It's such a bad interpretation on his behalf. You know?
It is. I don't know why he keeps on talking about it, because you know, if everyone's in market footy and they're asking these retarded questions in a Zoom, they're clearly not fucking learning anything. Not on his part. It's just you got a bunch of spackers. You know what I mean?
He has flipped his lid a few times.
Yeah, it's great.
He's like, this is wrong. What the fuck?
Yeah. I love it when he goes, I don't know what your fucking retards are talking about, but I want sales below 1835. It's just like, I don't know what your fucking retard.
It's like all the retards are lined up behind him.
Yeah. Don't know what your fucking retards are looking at, but
Yeah,
You must have a rule.
he's-
When you join market fluidity, you come from the gulag, you are not allowed to talk on Zoom for 3 months. I would say.
Yeah.
And it's not true. Huh? He doesn't have it, but you
No.
should.
Fucking 3 months.
He's witten and US. So funny, man.
To be fair, it's just some people, man. It's just some people. I don't know. It's just the same people like I have on Instagram. Oh, hello, sir. Can you help me in financial freedom, sir? It's just like people who are maybe, I don't know.
We don't have too many sirs here in the Gulag.
No, we don't. Which I want to keep that way.
Why do people call him sir?
It's normally people from different countries, aka
Asia.
India.
Yeah.
They're just very
Call
much
him
like
Sarah,
I don't know, sir, and yeah.
Sir, please help me.
So yeah. Yeah.
Check my chart, please. I need to know whether gold go down, go up.
Yeah.
That's our peeps.
Well, gold's fucking
No
going up.
racism.
I mean, hold on. Yeah, he has Badal. It's not racist. Get the fucking free card. What the fuck?
They just sound like a bunch of fucking racists now.
He's pretty Indian.
I'm Indian, it's fine. You can't say it, I can say it.
Yeah, that's why I'm laughing. I'm not saying anything.
I just say Bearjod.
Yeah.
So there's a little OB. There's probably a good level to take a little. Well, not an OB, but somewhere where you can take some positions off. 1629.5. It's 23 pips. Very
I
nice.
can't believe it's gone up.
You what?
I can't believe it's gone up off that little touch of that
I know.
30 minute.
You must stop sleeping, Steve.
It's landed, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's the same way you trade the 1 minute, right?
Yeah,
It's just a 30 minute already.
Yeah, but I can't even see a 1 minute entry on that.
You don't need it, man.
I was in Capital Hungary for a month to see what it was about, and no joke, it was 100% sir. Really?
Classic. No wonder he's so aggressive.
Yeah, man, he's got a bunch of fucking
Makes
goonies
sense.
in his. Yeah.
Oh, fucking 250 people on stream. God damn.
Yeah. And 63 likes. Like the stream, guys. Come on.
Yeah, boy. I will get that. That dollar's still on 450, bro.
That's it. Are you waiting today?
Yeah, but he's got a Lamborghini, man. You've got a fucking Audi in the one.
He's got a finance Corvette. I could happily finance.
Take a hater. Hater's gonna hate that.
Exactly. I could happily go do that, but I just fancy buying houses instead.
Good on you.
Get a Dacia Duster Max, then you know you've made it.
Your kids grow up so fast nowadays.
How much actually would it be? Let's take a look. Right, Corvette Sting. Is it called a Stingray finance? No, it's not that, is it?
No, that's the S6. That's the old CS6.
What's the new one called? I don't even know. I don't know Corvettes at all.
Like Corvette.
I like it. I think it looks fucking sick. I like actually the new. Is this it? Yeah, that's it. Right. Oh, okay. It just puts you here and search. Okay. It's fucking American cars, bro.
Those old ones look sick.
Yeah, they do. That's like a Trans Am. No, it's not. It's similar to Trans Am. Nice
Sick.
top. It's just, yeah, like 4,500 per month. So I could happily use the fucking mentorship money to pay for this monthly, but I'm not a fucking noob.
Oh, I'll look at the 2H and gold now, as we spoke about.
Oh.
Your boy.
Well, that's why those taps are so beautiful, bro. And you see Sash. If you look at the 2H, again, it's a fake out, eh?
Yeah, it's fucking, yeah, that's nice, man.
Just the
So
risk
what
is
did,
too big.
what did that wick tap into? The order block.
The 30-minute, there's a 30-minute like untested candle where it closes and breaks above.
And didn't retest. So it's there. So it's a little bit, the order block was actually there, but it didn't tap that one, but
but it tapped the 30.
It tapped the 30, so people got it.
Yeah.
Whereabouts on the 30? I'm looking on my phone. I
wick.
can't quite see it.
Just the wick of the last bearish candle like at the below. It says 16,
Oh, yeah,
20.
yeah.
Yeah,
I
it
can see
taps
it
the
now.
wick. And there's the push, boy.
Well done, whoever got in that trade.
Yeah, fucking Brian.
Can I just ask, where would your stop have been there then when you actually execute that?
If you do that, you just use that box as your
box.
risk area.
Okay.
Yeah, stop loss below.
Okay. Thank you.
Are you holding full still, Brian, or not?
That's really taking partials, bro.
You pussy!
Don't you worry about my profit. Don't you worry about my profit.
Fuck, that was class, that entry, Brian.
boy.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Just be one of
That's
those
it.
mornings again. You know what I mean?
I don't know why everyone didn't take that. That was clean as day.
Because we wanted this tap, not
They
the
wanted
fry.
the 15
Can I
tap
have
and
your
tap
membership
30.
package?
Yeah, that's
I
why it
told
didn't
him.
get me in either, to be fair. I had that one on.
Exactly.
Exactly. That's one of the. Mate, I had my fucking magic keys in that bitch.
Of course you did.
You fucking right. We were talking about it. I'm gonna fucking take that shit. Got caught out though, because I don't even know what OBs are, man. I'm just fucking. I'm still a noob at this shit. Yeah, OBs are good fun when you get this fucking garbage for price action on GJ. So let's take a look then. The 4 hours still got an hour and 38 minutes left. It's rejected the lows. It's going to probably do what I wanted it to do, which is reflip.
2H. Oh my god. It's funny as fuck.
You know your 60 quid a day commission money, Max?
Yep.
I found something for you to spend it on.
What?
Aston Martin Vantage.
Oh,
Not that piece of
yes.
antique.
That's what I want. I actually want a Vantage. Which one? What
I've
age?
got the deal through today. It's 1,737 quid a month.
Max, you will not get laid in that car, mate. I promise you.
I don't want to get. Actually, Kate says that she quite likes the Aston. She said she'd be happy with that.
You still don't get laid.
Yeah, I still don't get laid. That's it's true. A song named "To Root Sandstone." So, guy in the chat just wanted one of the lo-fi beats. Sorry, mate, I have no idea what it is. Fucking Hind puts "To Root Sandstorm." My guy's gonna type it in, get fucking "To Root Sandstorm" in the morning.
It's gonna get ear fucked.
Yeah, that's a great song, by the way. "To Root Sandstorm." If the 30-minute close, if the current 30-minute candle closes bullish, would it be good for buys on gold? Yes.
Yes.
Yep. I am waiting patiently because the zone above's clean. Like we said before, this is the zone that we've been trying to target all morning. This area here. This is the cleanest area. Brian's got his little autistic entry over here in a different planet. That's okay, but we can still maybe get an little entry over here.
I'm just taking the dog for a walk because I've banged pips today.
Banging the dog, knowing you.
Do. Back in the dark. So yeah, we'll see. Let's look at the 5. Is there any entries there? Oh, if it's 5-minute close and retests. I don't know where your stops would be. Yeah, your stops could be back on that support. How much should that be? 19 pips. That wouldn't be too bad. Are you looking again a bit earlier, Sash, or are you just gonna wait for this closure?
Tempted, but I think I'm just gonna wait for 30 or 50. Yeah, that's 5. Because you know that 30's got just such a big wick.
Yeah, it can make a big
low.
low.
It might come down and get something before it goes.
Yep. Maybe back down to the daily flip.
Yeah, one of the two. Back down to the zones and then off to the races.
So if this candle closes like this, makes a lower wick, my stop loss can be 20 pips. It can make its lower wick and then flip and then go for 24 pips. Yeah, that's decent. Decent.
Max, are you looking at it on the 5-minute on the black Ted or not?
Oh shit, yeah, forgot about that.
Although
it's
there's
a little bit too
to the left.
Yeah, it's a little bit steep.
No
but
bottom wick on the 5.
Yeah. I mean, it's closed above now. It's a nice one. I just think for me, it's probably best to wait for the 30. But yeah, I mean, it's just how big this 30-minute low wick is going to be. If you're in the trade and you haven't taken profits yet, on the 5, the 30 you could rip down first.
Yeah.
Might be a little bit of a pain. So holding that support nicely, 1628, good stuff.
Fuck off.
Timash. Hey guys, my hand is having problem, I think, because of holding the mouse for a long period of time on the desk. Is there anyone who encounters the same problem, or am I developing cancer? Oh my god. That is swine flu. Oh god. My hand isn't hit holding it, but maybe you've got a shit mouse, I don't know. I do not know. God,
to exercise that wrist.
Yeah, boy.
That's why you have no problems.
Exactly. Buy a vertical mouse. Oh, I've seen that, yeah. Hold it like vertically, it's weird. GJ's taking some lives this morning, I think, eh? Oh. Horrendous. It's called carpal tunnel, and if you don't get it, look at it, it will mess your hand up. Ooh. No, Goldie, don't close like this.
He's at 32 in golf, that candle. Some strong buys.
Ooh, what trade did Donny Boy take over here? Asian session, I think. Ah, it would have been these closure below. Oh no.
Alright, ladies, going out for dinner. Talk to you guys later.
See you later, brother.
See you later, Ginge.
See you later, alligator. Ooh, we took this trade. At 4 o'clock. Is that at 4 o'clock? 16:32? Yeah, it is. Donny took this trade. Closure below. Stop losses here. Actually, a little bit higher up. Stop losses there. Fucking hell, the stop was massive. 56 pips.
Jesus.
Closed 20 there. The rest at 100. Nice. I don't know if I like this Goldie. I do not know, brother. You taking sells in gold? Nope. Hasn't closed below. My zone. Gold like rejected from the daily flip? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know now. I think it might be making a little bit of a zone. I mean, if you just move this resistance there, can you see this? Yeah. That's the only issue. So if it closes above there, that might be a little bit nicer. We'll have to see. Gold might just sweep Asian highs. Yeah, it's a tough one. 5 minutes closing, a little bit sus. And Gulf on the 30 would be good for me. Yeah, I wouldn't say that's the strongest closure, to be honest. Would you guys agree? 5 minute close bearish. Ugh. Not the nicest. 30 still closed above those, so I have to see how the low wick is, but I don't like
Still
it.
respecting the black ted.
Really?
Yeah. Still closing below. Rejected it.
Fucking hell, yeah.
Yeah. Touched the trend line and then came down.
Mad. Yeah, I'm still waiting on that.
And there's a small resistance as well at 30.47, which it is rejecting as well.
Yeah, 3.7.
Yeah, 30.47.
Yeah, it seems like quite a strong res. Take a look at GJ as well. GJ another 15, 30-minute closure again. Still hasn't done anything. Yeah, chart this morning maybe a little bit sus, which means this is probably the first time that London session's maybe been a little bit shit on price action, which tends to suggest NY might be okay today. Maybe NY could be better later on. Let's take a look here. Gold might just be. Oh, you meant GJ. Yeah, I was thinking Asian lows are a little bit higher. Yeah, GJ is just stay well away from GJ, man. Just let it go. Why do you not like the gold buy on the 15? It's still in this wick area here. I wanted it to close a little bit stronger, like to get past these wicks. That was better. But it looks like it could be okay. I don't know. I'm not 100% in the trades. 100% liking the trades, to be honest with you. So I'm happy just leaving it. I think something about the 5-minute rejecting at this level. It's also below this 5-minute trend line still. I don't know. It's just a little bit sus. And if I'm not happy with it, I'm not taking it.
Gotta know when to leave it. Simple.
Yeah. Time for me to make a guest appearance on the NY session. Yes, we could do that today. Oh yeah, boy. Guest appearance by Mr. Hine.
Should ask Mango Man if it doesn't want to come on a YouTube stream. No way. Fucking daytime in Pakistan in the London session.
Yeah, that's true.
That's why he takes all the trades at pre-London, because he's well awake.
How do I join the NY session? Just join the mentorship, my man. The link is there. So you get access to mentorship. We are doing a simulation session today as well. So that's good. We'll continue with that gold for that month. And then next week we're going to do GJs. I'm going to go back to GJ. Are you looking at getting a buy so it breaks this, Manuel? No.
Yeah, I don't like the area, you know.
Yeah.
I really don't like the area.
Pissing me off. 5-minute just looks a little bit. If it blasts off, it blasts off. Good for people who are in, but I don't know. I just feel my entry. I wanted it to be a lower.
Yeah, Brian's entry was the entry.
And this zone's nice, but for some reason we just can't fucking break this level. So if it gives me signs of messing around, then that's a sign to leave it.
You know, the area on the 30 minutes is not very nice where it's entering either, because you might have clean candle from 30 to 33 up and down, but if you look to the back, you have wicks from 33 to 30. So that's
yeah.
30 pip area is I don't know. I'm not gonna take a trade, that's for sure. Sitting on my hands.
Yeah. Oh, look at that rejection of the one. Damn, Daniel.
I've been trading Black Ted a lot. And when I see situations like this, which is it's closing below the trend line all the time, but the 30 it looks like it's gonna go up. I don't like it. No, it's contradicting one with the other, and Black Ted is so strong. So, oh no, I don't like it. think I'm gonna leave it off so I don't make any fucking mistakes. I'm gonna eat breakfast before sim.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Do.
Maxi, what time sim today?
We'll probably do it at 9:30.
Cool. I've got to take the dog for a walk. It's absolutely pouring.
Oh, good luck with that. Oh.
Pouring here as well.
Is it?
Yeah, we're getting the back end of a hurricane.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I had my dog sleeping in my room tonight because it was quite insane sleeping.
Where are you? I thought you were in Portugal.
I am south of Portugal.
Oh, you got a hurricane.
We are getting something that comes from the sea.
Oh my God. What is it doing?
Yeah, people are worried about tsunamis and what the fuck. Oh, come on, you're in Portugal.
Yeah. Whoa, it's cold and nothing.
Max, if it pushed down to that OB, would you still be taking it?
What, this one here?
Yeah.
Nah, that was the one. That was
okay.
Yeah.
But does that invalidate the OB though?
Well, it hasn't touched it, but it's just that's the move I wanted. It's pushed up. That would be the take profit. Now, if I get into a trade, it seems like it's already done. And also here, it's looking like maybe a little bit of news just came out because this is a big stinking candle. Look at this this 1 minute. Yeah, something might be going on over here.
He respected the fucking trend line.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Yep. Still.
I think I'd be more confident if we had a candle that closed above it. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles that came to it and rejected.
Yeah.
So you could have taken a sell from, say, one of them, dumped 30 pips. The other one, this now, for example, from 39.
There's like 9 fucking entries on it.
Yeah. It's ridiculous.
Crazy.
Did the person that got the sell, did they obviously take their profit just as this reverted?
Who took the what? The buy?
It was a buy.
The buy,
yeah. Brian took it ages ago, yeah.
Oh, yeah, Brian took it.
Did he close it out?
Yeah, Brian always does. Brian always closes. When it hit like, 13, 14 pips probably, he just takes his money.
Yeah.
Right, around about
So
there.
what's gold doing now? It's hit this trend line that you've put in and then bounced off it, or is it?
Yeah, well, I think it's just holding the trend line. But if you look at the 15 man, we're just ranging now. It's shit price action, so I'm not really too interested in this. Take a look to the.
So there'd be a new trend line now, anyway, no?
Yeah.
As well.
30 looks sus. The last one was bullish against wicking back down. It's just a little bit shitty.
Manuel, you're going to take number 10 then if it comes up?
No. I'm not taking one single trade yet.
Okay. Wonder what that was.
I look forward to joining you in the trades, but at the moment, work is too busy being a gas engineer.
Wow, busy.
Everybody's putting their heating on.
Yeah.
And I've spent years, building my business, and I'm definitely not. Trading takes time to focus on these, to learn it, and
100%.
I've been burnt, and I've made myself disciplined, willing not to be burnt again. I've been putting trades on whilst trying to service boilers and shit like that, and it just doesn't work.
Yeah.
Someone's definitely speaking right now. By the way, just to give you a heads up.
Yeah, something's happening.
Something's happening right now. Let's look at the spreads. Okay, still.
You know what? They're saying that the Japanese are going to be fucking about with interventions, but they're not going to be publicly announcing it. So you could see shit going on the chart, but there's no news.
Yep.
So
yeah, it's just people talking about. It'll come out. Not even
because they didn't want people to be fucking about and know what's going on. Like, you know what I mean? They don't want to fuck about with the currency. That's what they were saying yesterday and today. Yeah. So they've obviously done something.
This is 5-minute flips. It should nut down.
Have you looked at GJ?
Oh shit! Yes, what's going on over here?
Oh, we call it session.
There's nothing come up on the Forex news.
No, it'll be.
Oh mate, so that's good. So now all news is going to be like private. Oh fuck! Just get clapped. Okay, I can only assume that's what's happened.
Why has he got his mask on outside? Fuck's sake.
There's a mask on. Oh god.
Oh, I see these people sitting at the bus stop with their mask on.
People in the Apple store have it. People in the Apple store have. The actual workers have them on.
Yeah.
What is this came to?
I've just got over it for the fucking third time.
Oh mate.
It's definitely not going anywhere. So you're waiting for gold to get to out of this range that it's in.
Yeah.
The resistance or support.
Yeah, I'm just letting it do its thing right now. What I know from now is that we're ranging, and also there's a shitload of volume in the range because there's clearly something going on in the world right now. So, you know, if you're trying to base a trade off your candles when the candles are so... Look, this candle here nutted down fucking 50 pips or whatever, 30 pips.
Yeah.
Next one's retreats all the way back up. There's no real structure yet. So it's just ranging, and there's news came out.
Could
Same
that
with
be
GJ.
like some big institutions pumping money?
Well, yeah, there'd be something that's happened in the news about something about the government or something about, I don't know, Russia or whatever, and there's been a big fucking push down. So, you know, if you think your candles are going to hold when all this news comes out, you're really mistaken. So it's best to just wait until it comes down and come to the next session, or wait until it gets a little bit easier to trade in terms of your zones. Because right now, the zones are hard now. This has struggled to break up. Below, this has struggled to break down, so it's just not a nice area to trade. Today is maybe an NY day. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, I saw that one, Gian, about the 150 level and stuff. Treasury high and stuff like that. Yeah. Don't know if that was it, though. I do not know. So yeah, I think, guys, now, I mean, we'll wait 5 more minutes or so, but I think for the most part we're gonna leave it up here. People that wear masks while driving a car, the see people that sleep alone with condoms on. That's great. Gas price cap could end up crimping supplies to Europe. Yeah. Worst London in a while today. Patience tested. Exactly, man. Just don't use your bullets. Just don't use them. It's been very nice recently, so. Something about, yeah, I think it's a lot about Japan, eh? It's BOG again. All JPY pairs are fucked. Yeah. Yeah, 250 people here, guys. Let's try and get to 100 likes. 100 likes, boy.
Potential stop currency intervention there, boys. You just seen whipsaws on gold, whipsaws on GJ. How many?
Whipsaws. I think GJ's yesterday lows is going down, but not trading it. Yeah.
Today day, attempted gold sells, no trades at GJ. Gold sells went for 15 pips before coming back in the range and stopping. Most people are
Who the fuck is that? Sounds like an Indian capital hungry. More Indian capital hungry.
It's been a no trade day, messy market.
What's up, guys? Good morning.
Morning, Elohe. Morning, morning.
Morning.
Good morning. I got 50 pips yesterday, guys.
Oh,
Afternoon.
wow. For gold?
Yeah, I sell gold.
Nice.
I sell like a 34 to something.
34? Oh.
Yeah, of that.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, this morning there isn't too much, I don't think. Goldies came back up, but man, it's been messing around hella. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it off here. Sorry, Elohe, you've just joined, but yeah, there's nothing much going on. We're gonna wait until NY session. I'll do the simulation at 9:30. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on.
Thanks, Max.
See you later, guys. Peace out. See you later, guys. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. Make sure to drop a like. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, make sure to come and join straight away. I'll put the link here. Yeah, link straight here. And I think in the next couple sign-ups, I'll actually do a couple little one-to-one, like 10-15 minute one-to-ones showing what you need and what things you want to work on. So yeah, I might post that on Instagram actually. So if you guys do sign up now, you'll get a nice little one-to-one the next couple of days as well, with all of the things as well. It's 100% worth it. That's why I've got over 130 members every single month. I think around about 92% stay on. I think only about 4 or 5 didn't. Why didn't I get one up? So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, the link is there to join. And yeah, before we go, right now, go on Instagram and go and like my fucking Instagram posts. Need to get these likes back up, man. I'm sick of these fucking 300 likes. Hell no. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll put on the link as well. Actually, yeah, make sure to go and like these last ones. Oh, what's her name? Yeah, make sure to go and like these. Run these likes up, man. It takes 2 minutes of your day to run up the likes, man. See you guys. Peace out. Adios, amigos. Have a great day. Be careful of the markets right now. Looking a bit sus. So yeah, chill out, man. See you later, alligator.